Hi, we're Team 7182 Mechanical Paradox Cubed, and this is our first live update for our Robot in 3 Days challenge.
I'm Havish.
I'm Siobhan.
I'm Steven. So for this Robot in 3 Days event, we wanted to focus on picking up the cubes from outside of the crater instead of going inside the crater, and also we wanted to mainly focus on scoring the cubes and balls instead of hanging.
Okay, so for our drivetrain, we have the back of our robot is powered by these yellow jacket motors, and you see the interesting thing about these is that they can mount directly to channel. So that's pretty cool. So the size of our robot is go rail, and then is connected by a low-sided U-channel, and this is our little battery mount.
Okay, so over here we have our arm, which is powered by another yellow jacket motor, and it's connected through a gear which turns a bigger gear, so it has more torque. And it first starts with, this is the back and this is the front, but this will turn all the way over so that it can reach over the crater and get the cubes and balls on the other side. So we haven't attached it yet, but we're going to use this intake, which is powered by a dual mode servo. So basically this will spin and it will take in the cubes. And then once it's over here, it will flip around to the other side, and then it will deposit them into the goal thing. So, like that.
Thanks for tuning in.